On Wednesday, there was found a 130 kg dry weight at Tata Mini Truck vehicle with fake number TR01AV-1571 at Champahour Road, and also there was found a 2 fake number plate of Assam state, but then no one was arrested. On Wednesday morning, a report was given to Champahour police about the Tata Mini Truck with TR01AV-1571 number that was found abandoned at the road of Champahour with no one in the car. With the help of OC Shukramani Devarma, Champahour police went on the location and started investigating the truck, and during the investigation, 2 fake number plate of Assam state was found, and later the police drove the car to Champahour station. The police then started to do more inquiry, expecting to get something illegal in the car. Later, after strong investigation, they found a small 37 packets of weed hidden chamber in the car, and there were 130 kg weed inside the packets. Later, after getting report, SDPO Prashun Kanti Majumdar reached at the Champahour station.
आज अराउंड 7:30 AM मुझे कॉल आया था, एक सीक्रेट इन्फॉर्मेशन मिला था कि एक अबैंडन गाड़ी यहाँ पे छूटा हुआ है अराउंड चंपाहोर प्लेस के नज़दीक. तो आई अलॉन्ग विथ OCPS वेंट टू द प्लेस, रेडेड इट एंड सर्च्ड इट. और एक मिनी ट्रक, टाटा मिनी ट्रक, इसके अंदर, इस कैविटी के अंदर अराउंड 130 kgs ऑफ गांजा मिला. एडेड टू इट वी ऑल्सो फाउंड आउट 2 असम रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर प्लेट्स. सो बहुत जल्द हम लोग इसके पीछे जो है वो निकाल लेंगे. द इन्वेस्टिगेशन इज़ ऑन प्रोग्रेस और डिटेल्स में बाद में आफ्टर इन्वेस्टिगेशन विल लेट यू नो. थैंक यू.
The police then took FIR under NDPS Act and started inquiry. But why does the dealer leave the car there and ran away? This keeps the police and the natives in puzzle. Reported by Biplav from Chini, Khorang.